Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be answering the question, how can I fix slippage is too low in Phantom Wallet? So this is a pretty common issue when it comes to trading on Solana or on your Phantom Wallet. You're probably trying to buy a meme coin where it's just exploding and the price is actively fluctuating to various different types of prices. So how you could fix that, I'll teach you right away because you might be trying to get in right now in a meme coin. You're just going to want to up the slippage, all right? Usually 1% is pretty ideal. If you don't already have this on auto, you could put it on auto and it will find the lowest slippage or the right slippage for you to get into that coin. Usually sometimes it won't work, so you will have to manually adjust to maybe a 1.25 slippage. It really depends, all right? And just remember though is that your transaction can fail if the price changes more than the slippage, and too high of a value will result in a favorable trade. So pretty ideal. 1% is ideal for when you're trading meme coins. And if it's not working and it says it's still too low, just maybe raise it up 0.10% every other time until you get a fill for your orders. So that's how you fix slippage is too low on your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, all right, if this has helped you out. If it didn't, leave a comment down below on why it didn't help you, all right, and I'll be sure to answer you, try to give you the right information. But nonetheless, have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you all for the next video.